Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, CD Rodebe, back on your screens once again. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I blow dry my 4C low porosity hair using the Revlon blow dryer, having some clips to be able to separate my hair, section it in proper ways, as well as using a heat protectant, some shears, and a water bottle to continuously hydrate my hair throughout the process. And I actually wanted to just quickly say a shout out to everybody that has been subscribing to the channel. I'm happy to report that we have gained 9 new subscribers since my last upload, and we had 1.5k people view my channel. So I want to say thank you so much for helping me work towards my goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers by the end of December. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really have been enjoying chatting to you guys, understanding where you are on your natural hair journey. And I think in this video, because it's a very straightforward video, I just want to give you guys an update of how my hair has been behaving and a little bit about my journey and what I want to do different this time around. For those who don't know me, I've had natural hair since I was in varsity. So this is like 2016 December. And the year before last, in December, I relaxed my hair and I started to transition back to natural hair about last year, June, July-ish. I would say even July, August, not June. July, August, I stopped putting relaxers in my hair and I started to transition, and I kept my hair in braids throughout the entire process. And since then till now, this is the amount of growth I have gained. I did big chop. I did remove all of the relaxed hair and started from scratch, but I didn't record that part. You guys know that I haven't been on YouTube for especially consistently for the last 2 years. So now that I'm back, it's almost like we kind of play catch up, but also I'm trying to shape the story in your head as to why I decided that I want to relax my hair and regrow it again. Okay, so this time around, I think the real reason why I really did relax my hair was 2 reasons. One, I had a lot of responsibilities on my hands and my life was just shifting in a way whereby I didn't have time for my hair. That's the first thing. Secondly, I am a gym girl, and having natural hair sometimes became an inconvenience because I just want to get dressed and go to the gym. And when you have natural hair, you have to set time aside to also prep the hair for the gym, and it was just too time consuming, especially given the fact that the gym is my happy place and it's still a place that keeps me sane. I always look forward to going to the gym. So those are the 2 reasons why. And then the third reason I would actually add is because that I am a natural hair enthusiast / influencer or content creator. I got tired of having to share my hair with you guys. I know that sounds mean, but I really did. Okay. So I needed to take a break. I really needed to take a break. And now that I'm back again, I think this time around, I don't want my hair to be a hindrance to me living my life. I don't want it to be an inconvenience. Therefore, I'm going to find ways to incorporate my hair into my life and not around my life. I think for most of us, we like to say that if you have natural hair, you have to plan your life around your hair. I don't want that anymore. I'm doing the opposite. I want to live my life and also have natural hair. That's it. Okay. So it will be a journey of me braiding my hair, chilling with my hair as is, living in twists, living with blowout like this one. And just really taking it easy and trying to paint a positive narrative this time around on this journey. I'm really excited to see what you and I can accomplish with our hair this year. We still have about 3 months. So comment down below, what are your hair goals? And do you still blow dry your hair with heat? Or do you use other methods like African threading or just putting it in a twist to stretch your hair? Let me know because I am very much curious to find out. I hope you guys are happy with my new hair growth. It's been a year. I'm proud.